In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check website traffic for free. This method is perfect if you want to analyze your own website or even spy on your competitors' traffic without spending any money. So let's get started. First of all, open SEMrush website. Once the website opens, now SEMrush will ask you to sign up or log in. You can use the free version to check basic website traffic data. Just sign up using your email address if you don't already have an account. Next, you will see a big search bar in the center of the screen. This is where you can enter the website URL that you want to analyze. For this example, I'm going to enter a random website, then click on the search button. After a few minutes, SEMrush will take you to the domain overview page. This is where all the important information is displayed. Here, you can see estimated monthly traffic, total keywords the website is ranking for, backlinks, organic search traffic, paid search traffic, if available, top organic keywords, main competitors, traffic by country. If you scroll down, you will also see a traffic trend graph, which shows how the website's traffic has changed over the last few months. This is very helpful to understand whether the website is growing or losing traffic. You can also click on the organic research section to see the keywords that are bringing the most traffic to the website. If you want to check another website, simply go back to the search bar at the top and type a new domain name. And that's it. This is how you can check website traffic for free using SEMrush. It's a powerful tool for bloggers, YouTubers, SEO experts, and digital marketers who want to analyze website performance and improve their online strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.